Today I will share with you 31 signs that you are ascending from 3D to 5D consciousness. Your body and mind goes through so much during this shift, so I really wanted to address that in this episode on what you might be experiencing so that you don't feel like you're going crazy. But before we get into the signs, what is actually 5D Ascension? The Earth is at the moment going through a historic shift in vibration, ascending spiritually from the third dimension to fifth. This is often called 5D Earth or New Earth, so there's an Earth ascension happening, but our bodies are also going through the same shift, some people sooner than others. And this is leading to ascension symptoms as our DNA is being upgraded. This is because as spiritual beings, we operate on vibration, frequency, and energy levels. So to experience life on a divine energy frequency, you must go through a journey of spiritual awakening. The 3D consciousness is the physical world in which we live, known to everyone. And the 5D is the non-physical world, a level of consciousness that is only experienced by the spiritually awakened. 5D Ascension is the process of raising your vibration, shedding your ego, and gaining control of your future through an elevated level of consciousness. And going through this will cause symptoms. It takes a toll on your body and mental health. And this is because in the process of spiritual awakening, your senses are heightened to adjust to new frequencies. Spiritually awakened people operate on energy vibrations that vary based on dimensions. As you ascend to 5D consciousness, you'll experience several changes, physically and emotionally. And don't be alarmed by this is normal. And typically, for ascension to occur, you must have experienced some form of shadow work that you've done either intentionally, maybe like gone through a shadow work journal, or just you've had some shitty circumstances in your life that has triggered these changes in you. And these ascension symptoms can be physical, emotional, or spiritual. Some people get affected a lot and they might be going from doctor to doctor, but none of them can find anything wrong. Unfortunately, doctors don't learn about ascension sickness in school. Maybe one day. Without further ado, here are 31 of the most common 5D Ascension symptoms. The first one is body aches. During 5D Ascension, it's common to feel unusual aches in different parts of your body. Moving your body can feel like a chore. And when this occurs, you're releasing blocked energy from your joints. Some people become physically sick and others wake up with bruises that weren't there the day before. It's all part of the purification process that allows your body to ascend higher to a fifth dimensional frequency. Sign number 2 is sore joints. And this can happen even if you didn't perform any physical activity. Or maybe your arms feel heavy or your neck feels stiff. The best remedy for this is to do yoga, to really loosen up your body so your chi can flow freely in your body. Sign number 3 is that you feel tired, you feel fatigue. And that's because ascension takes a toll on your body, so you often feel tired. You might start to realize that you're always sleepy and lightheaded. You're maybe inactive because your soul is reaching for higher realms, and many experience astral projection through sleeping. When we're asleep, our egos are dormant, so our energy frequencies are heightened. And this is the time for a system reboot. Sign number 4 is frequent headaches. Many people deal with migraines during their ascension. Your elevating consciousness can cause a sharp pain in your head. The process of reaching for a higher dimension is stressful for the 3D human body, and this stress can present as a constant headache. But don't worry though, because you will get through it. Sign number 5 is toothaches. If you've been to a dentist and they're saying it's nothing wrong with you, but you're still feeling toothaches, then this can be a sign of 5D Ascension. Teeth serves as a telepathic channel for energy frequency. In the early stages of your awakening, energy passes through the weak and vulnerable parts of your body. Sign number 6 is that you are starting to see changes in your vision. Those with clear eyesight can develop blurry vision. The reverse is also true. A person with poor vision can get improved eyesight on their journey. Sign number 7 is tummy issues. Irregular bowel movements can occur. You might also feel butterflies in your tummy or slight discomfort at intervals. It's an effect of the physical stress your body's going through while reaching for spiritual awakening. Sign 8 is skin changes. So yes, this can happen in rare cases where people shed their old skin during ascension. And this is common with light workers who get smoother and brighter skin. New energy irradiates from within and translates into a shining glow. Sign number 9 is that you can get clumsy, and this is the result of energy coursing through your body, making you nervous. Sign 10 is hot flashes or the flu. You can feel a sudden feeling of warmth in your upper body, including your face, neck, and chest. And this is when energy is flowing through your body. You may feel cold immediately afterwards. If your forehead is hot, it could be Ascension flu, which feels like a normal flu many people get when they catch a virus. So these first 10 are physical symptoms, but you also get emotional Ascension symptoms when you're going through the 5D Ascension process. So let's get into those as well. Sign number 11 is disorientation. You feel confused about where you are. During Ascension, people often zone out of reality for short periods. And it happens when your soul's transition is clashing with your present 3D reality. Being in the third dimension becomes a chore. The energy in 3D is in conflict with the serenity that comes with discovering your true self in 5D. Sign number 12 is memory loss. There are gaps in your recollection of events due to you regularly zoning out. Sign number 13 is an identity crisis. Going through changes physically and emotionally affects your mental health. You've likely lost your desire for the things that once excited you. The vibrations around you make you uncomfortable, so you make changes. And your newly found traits and habits can be confusing when you suddenly acquire them at an older age. But embrace them, because fighting it can be painful. Trust the process and make peace with your evolution. Sign 14 is irritability. The feeling of losing your sense of self makes you on edge and quickly to get angry, but it's a common part of Ascension. Sign number 15 is mood swings. So you might be feeling super happy one moment and one day really depressed the next, and you might want to go into hermit mode even. It's like being on a roller coaster. Sign number 16 is anxiety. You might even be having panic attacks because your ego is losing its hold on you and it's afraid. You feel powerless and vulnerable because you're leaving behind unnecessary old habits. But don't be afraid, because once you're fully ascended to 5D, you will feel safer and at peace. Sign number 17 is hyperactivity. And this is because there's a surge of energy at the peak of Ascension. This inability to focus comes from your spirit longing to be in the 5th dimension. Once you start getting comfortable in 5D, your energy levels will spike. The increased and expanded cognition makes 3D consciousness a bore to you. Sign number 18 is a change in life view. Maybe you feel dissatisfied with life and an overwhelming desire for purpose. Your habits may change as well. Maybe you acquire new tastes in your diet. Your interpersonal relationships might also go through the ringer. Either they get strained or strengthened. Sign number 19 is that you get more creative than before. Ascension really awakens your inner creative juices. Maybe you develop an attraction for new colors. Sign number 20 is that you feel drawn to nature. Parks, beaches, waterfalls, it all appeals to you. You might even switch to a plant-based diet. The next signs are spiritual essential symptoms. Sign number 21 is that you feel intense energy. In the process of adjusting to a higher frequency, your former character is tested against the person you're becoming. This causes emotional and physical stress for the person ascending. It feels intense as you change your energetic frequency and adjust to a higher vibration level. The negativity that is attached to your ego gives way to love and light. And with all the transformations occurring inside you, it's natural that you'd feel pressure. Sign number 22 is that you're experiencing hallucinations. In the 5th dimension, ascendants see and hear things that 3D humans can't. A common experience is lucid dreaming. Some people see light sparks in the corner of their eyes, and you're not going crazy. It's just that your spiritual eye is now opened. You're getting more in touch with your psychic awareness. Relax and let your ego go as you step into your true self. Sign number 23 is that you may have out-of-body experiences. And this is the cause for memory loss and forgetfulness, which we mentioned earlier. That's because you're drifting in and out of 3D consciousness, but with time it will balance out. Sign number 24 is that you're seeing more synchronicities and you believe in them and you understand them. For spiritually awakened people, coincidences are significant occurrences. And once you start noticing angel numbers like 1111, 444, 333, your ego is going to sleep for your soul to rise. And waking up between the hours of 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. is also a sign of ascension. It's called the witching hour, or cleansing and releasing time. Sign number 25 is that you may start to have premonitions. You feel a sensation when things are about to happen. You become highly intuitive. Don't ignore your feelings and intuition when they come. Your sixth sense comes alive during Ascension, so tap into it. Sign 26 is an annoying one, and that is electrical zaps. When energy flows through you as you ascend, you can experience zaps of electricity. And this depends on the type and the strength of the energy, because some are stronger than others. Sign 27 is that you're becoming more introspective. Maybe you're meditating more. You take time to discover your new self and explore your emerging interests. Sign 28 is unity consciousness. Ascension makes you appreciate the need for harmony in the world. Your spiritual consciousness is enlightened, so you seek to achieve peak human interaction. Sign 29 is heightened sensitivity. And this is one of the most common 5D Ascension symptoms. And this is because your sixth sense is awakened. Your 5 sensory organs, smell, touch, sight, hearing, and taste, work at their greatest capacity. Your environment has an effect on you as you learn that everything has a vibration. As you shift into a higher frequency, some vibration repel or attract you. At this point, you can feel other people's energies. So you may feel like you don't want to be around a person when your auras don't align. Suddenly, you may crave a life on the countryside rather than city living, as this feels too overwhelming. You might lose your old friends who drain your energy, and you might be drawn to more natural, high vibrational food. This all happened to me. Sign number 30 is energy bursts. Especially when your soul is actively ascending. Strong auras can hit you smack in the face, while softer ones can cause a tingling sensation in your body. Sign number 31 is disconnecting from reality. You disconnect from the 3D reality and have long episodes experiencing 5D. You begin to feel homesick, as if you're an imposter here on Earth. And with time and practice, you learn to merge both and live with consciousness in the 3D world. So if you're experiencing the symptoms, what can you actually do to feel better? Here are some of my favorite tips for you. They have at least helped me, and let me know in the comments if they helped you too. First thing is to drink lots of water. This might seem basic, but hydration is so good for your body, especially as you go through physical changes. You need to keep your system hydrated. Human beings are frequently dehydrated, so you need to drink as much water to keep your vital fluids topped up. You also need a balanced diet. Ascension stretches your physical limits. You need to eat nourishing meals to keep your body grounded. Food has healing abilities that help you through this strengthness process. Try to include high vibrational foods like vegetables and fruits in your diet. The more plant-based, the better. What helps me so much as well is meditating daily. And this can be a form of yoga, guided meditations, listening to your breath, repeating positive mantras, maybe a walking meditation. Basically, you need to keep your body active and your mind centered. It will help maintain your awareness and stops you from drifting away from reality permanently. When you ascend to the 5th dimension of consciousness, you operate on a more pure level and you let your soul lead the way instead of the mind. You realize that you're responsible for your own well-being, so you protect it. These are just some of the Ascension symptoms that you can experience. Let me know in the comments if you experienced any other ones and which ones resonated the most. Love you so much.